Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 6, Chapter 5, Fractions and Decimals, Exercise 5.1. See now question number 1. Classify the fractions as proper, improper and mixed fractions. Now let us see the solution. We have to first write proper fractions. What are proper fractions? In fractions, the numerator will be less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper fractions. 3 by 4, numerator is less than denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Write down 3 by 4. 6 by 5. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. Write down 6 by 5. Next 3 by 2. Numerator is greater than denominator. It is also improper. Here numerator is greater than denominator. So 4 by 1 is also an improper fraction. Next 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. 1 by 4, numerator is less than denominator. It is also proper fraction. Next, 18 by 13, numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is improper fraction. Next, 1 5 by 7, it is a mixed fraction. Write down 1 5 by 7. Next, 1 by 3, numerator is less than the denominator. So it is also a proper fraction. Next, last one, 11 1 by 2. 11 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. So write down under mixed fraction. See now question number 2. Write the following fractions in an ascending order. See the first question, 3 by 4, 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 5 and 18 by 7. All these fractions we need to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to big. Here the given fractions are unlike fractions, so we can't arrange them in ascending order. So first we have to convert these unlike fractions to like fractions. For that, first we have to do LCM of the denominators. Let us do LCM here. Check now. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 5 7 as it is we have written. Again in 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 1 3 5 7. Now let us see the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Next 5 7s are 35. 12 35s are 420. Now we have to change each fraction to the like fraction by making the denominator 420. So given fraction 3 by 4 into, here denominator check once 4. For this 4, how much if we multiply, we get the LCM value 420, that is 105. So numerator and denominator we must multiply by 105. 3 105s are 315, 4 105s are 420. Therefore 3 by 4 we converted into like fraction, 315 by 420. All the remaining fractions we had to make the denominator as given LCM value 420. 3 by 2 is multiplied by 210. So that 3 into 210, 630. 2 into 210, we got 420. Similarly, next fraction, 2 by 3, we multiplied numerator and denominator with 140. 2 into 140, 280. And denominators multiply 3 into 140, that is 420. See the next fraction, 1 by 5, that is multiplied with 84. So 1 into 84 is 84. 5 into 84 answer is 420. See the last fraction, 18 by 7. 18 by 7 we multiplied with 60. So that 18 into 60 is 1080. Denominator 7 into 60 is 420. Now all denominators were same. So that now easily we can compare and arrange them in ascending order. Among all these fractions, the lowest one is 84. Therefore, 84 by 420 is less than 280 by 420. That is less than 315 by 420. That is less than by 630 by 420. That is less than by 1080 by 420. Now, this equivalent fraction we shall write now. 84 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is less than 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is less than 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is less than 18 by 7. Therefore, 1 by 5 is less than 2 by 3, that is less than 3 by 4, that is less than 3 by 2, and that is less than 18 by 7. Therefore, ascending order is 1 by 5, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 2, 18 by 7. See now question number 2. 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and 4 by 9. We have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Here only two fractions are like fractions and remaining fractions were unlike fractions. So first we have to convert these unlike fractions to like fractions. For that purpose we have to do LCM of denominators 4, 7, 8 and 9. 4 table for 1s are 4, 7 as it is, 4 2s are 8, 9 as it is. Now let us see the LCM. 4 into 7 into 2 into 9. 4 7s are 28, 2 9s are 18. 28 into 18, if we multiply, we get answer 504. We must make the given fractions a denominator as LCM value 504. For that purpose, we are multiplying numerator and denominator with a number. See here, first one 2 by 7. 2 by 7 into 7 table 72 times 504. So numerator and denominator we multiply by 72. 2 72s are 144. 7 72s are 504. See the next fraction 3 by 8. 8 table 63 times 504. So numerator and denominator multiply by 63. 3 63s are 189. 8 63s are 504. See the next fraction 3 by 4. 4 table 126 times 504. So numerator and denominator we have multiplied by 126. 3 126 are 378. 4 126 are 504. See the next fraction 5 by 7. 7 table 72 times 504. So here numerator and denominator we multiplied by 72. 5 72s are 360. 7 72s are 504. See the last fraction 4 by 9. 9 table 956 are 504. So numerator and denominator we multiplied by 56. 456 are 224. 956 are 504. Now we have converted all the unlike fractions to like fractions. Now we can arrange them in ascending order. So among all the fractions, least one is 144. 144 is less than 189. 189 is less than 224. 224 is less than 360. 360 is less than 378. 144 means 2 by 7, that is less than 189 means 3 by 8. So write down 2 by 7 is less than 3 by 8. 224 means 4 by 9. So 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 9. 360 means here 5 by 7. So 4 by 9 is less than 5 by 7. And last 378 by 504. That means 3 by 4. Therefore, ascending order is 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 5 by 7 and 3 by 4. See third question. Without calculation, find the result 2 by 3 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now let us see the solution. Write down 2 by 3 plus convert mixed fraction to improper. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 7. So write down 7 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now group the like fractions. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Here denominators for same, write down 3 as LCM. So 2 plus 1 3 plus here denominators for same. So take LCM as 4. Now subtract numerator 7 minus 1 6. 1 plus we can convert a 6 by 4 into simpler form. 2 table 2 3s are 6. 2 table 2 2s are 4. Here no denominator. We shall take it as 1. So LCM of the denominators is 2. Now do cross multiplication. 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 1, 3 by 2. So 2 plus 3 means 5 by 2 is the answer. Today we have seen Chapter 5 Fractions and Decimals, Exercise 5.1, 1 to 3 sums. Remaining sums we shall see in the next video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.